Hello everybody and welcome back to another video at Love Tech. Today we're going to be... What are you doing here? You did this last time.
I didn't control this.
I told you when I'm filming a video you don't come.
Why are you screaming at me? You're always screaming at me.
I swear I'm not even filming a video.
It's not my
He
fault. He gets to be here. I don't.
He's doing it. It's not me. I'm the one they sent, not you, not you.
Why does he get to do the intro?
No, you can't do the intro. I'm literally doing the intro. I want to do the intro of this video. I mean, I came here. Okay, fine. You did this to do the intro, and I came go. Hello, everybody, and welcome back to another video at Love Tech. Today we're going to be talking about how to clone yourself in Final Cut Pro. Let's get into it. So we are now on Final Cut Pro. I have the footage here, just one big clip which I filmed, and you're now going to learn how to clone yourself. So to start with, you need to find your 3 clips of you talking, and then you just cut them up into the bits you want. Hello everybody and welcome back to another video at Love Tech. Today we're going to be... So that's the first clip, and I'm going to take that, chop it, and I'm just going to speed this up because it's a bit boring to watch. So for this clip here, all I did was just came and sat down, but then I cut it right when I was landing, so here. And then it looks like I... Let's get into it. Come like that, and it looks pretty cool in the thing. The thing with filming this is you don't want to film too little. It doesn't matter if you film too much, so you might as well just film a lot and then make them that mistake instead of making it too little, because if you do it too little then you can't fix it. So to start with, you need to film 3 clips of you talking like this. Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. And they've all got to be in different places, so if you look, the first clip is here, the second clip's there, and they can't be overlapping, because otherwise the trick won't work. So then you have your 3 clips here, and the first thing you need to do is then put them on top of each other, like this, and make them all the same length clip. Then you go into effects and you search up mask, and you put draw mask onto the first one, and then you'll end up putting it on the second one as well. Then you will draw a box around the part you want, and you'll see that the second part comes in. So then you do that again on the second B-roll clip, and then you'll see the third clip come in, and then you just need to refine it up a bit, and maybe if you're still getting a kind of clear line, like you can see here, you can see that red line, you can see that black line quite clearly there, then you can click on it. If you open up the draw mask, then you can feather it in a bit, so then it will look... Hello everybody. So then it'll look much better, like now. And that's pretty much all you need to do. It's quite an easy trick to do. And of course you can color code it and refine it a bit more. I've done it quite quickly. But I hope that showed you how to do it, and I hope that was useful. Let's get back to the outro. So I hope you enjoyed that quick tutorial in Final Cut Pro. I've actually been in quite a lot of videos this week, so if you enjoyed that one, then please subscribe, because I'll be doing videos on WWDC, which is coming up pretty soon. I'll be doing more tutorials maybe. I've actually got a video coming up on editing on the Mac versus editing on the iPad, so stay tuned for that. Please subscribe, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one.